Welcome back. Now our focus on the midday meal tragedy in Bihar. The HRD ministry today set up a new committee to go into the quality aspect of the midday meal in general.
Just after 22 children lost their lives in Chhapra, Bihar after eating the midday meal at their government school, there have been no arrests yet in this case. Several children are still fighting for their lives. They remain in critical condition in hospital in Patna as well. Politicians, though, have already begun the blame game, as we saw yesterday. The state government hinting at a conspiracy. The state education minister P.K. Shahi saying yesterday that traces of a poisonous substance believed to be pesticide was found in the cooking oil. There are also reports an insecticide container may have been used to cook the meal. An inquiry has been ordered now. Reports say the cook had warned the headmistress about the quality of the food, and tragically that warning went unheeded. The cook lost her 2 children in this tragedy. In fact, died last evening herself as well. That headmistress is still absconding.
सभी बच्चे धीरे धीरे स्टेबलाइज कर रहे हैं। हमारे जो 25 लोग थे यहाँ आए थे, 27 2 का डेथ हो गया, तो उसमें एक लेडी है। बाकी जो 24 बच्चे हैं वे 23 बिल्कुल आउट ऑफ डेंजर है। एक अभी भी हम लोग नहीं कह सकते कि आउट ऑफ डेंजर है, क्योंकि कल उनकी हालत बहुत खराब थी। आज थोड़ी सी बेहतर है। हो सकता है कल तक हम लोग भी कहें कि वो भी आउट ऑफ डेंजर है।
To see that it does not occur again, I think the time has come to strengthen the program further, to ensure that it is implemented in a better manner. So what we have decided is we will also form another committee which looks into the qualitative aspects of the implementation of the program.
बिहार सरकार जिम्मेदार है। नीतीश कुमार को इस्तीफा करना चाहिए और सरकार को बिहार की जनता से माफी मांगनी चाहिए कि जिस तरीके से ये मौत नहीं है बल्कि हत्या है। मुख्यमंत्री न वहां गए, यहाँ न देखने आए।
The most shocking is an aspect which has not been answered by the Chief Minister of Bihar. Accidents can take place. But why couldn't the Chief Minister or any of his ministers so far bother to visit the village where 23 children have died?
Well, as you can see, politics taking center stage after the tragedy. Let's now go across to Prabhakar Kumar, who joins us live from Patna. It's been 36 hours, Prabhakar. No arrests, no idea yet as to whether it was a conspiracy, whether it was an accident. The headmistress has not been arrested. What are you picking up right now?
See, the FIR has been logged against the headmistress, but she's absconding since yesterday. She's absconding along with her family members. And as far as the investigation in this case is concerned, the investigation officially has not yet begun. It was ordered the minutes after this incident happened, but the investigation team has actually not been able to go to the site. Today we have been informed that few officials in the early morning today went to the sites, collected 2 samples and actually talked to the villagers, because they are fearing the public outrage, they are fearing the public backlash, and that is what is actually preventing investigators from going to the site.
All right.